Hi dear students, welcome back to another math hour. Today I'm just going to teach you something simple. Basically we're going to learn how to change a fraction, which we've been learning all this time, into a decimal. And guess what? It's simply a matter of dividing. All you got to do is use your division skills like I taught you before. So let me show you an example right now. Let's start with something simple. Let us take, I don't know, how about the fraction half? Okay? I want to turn this fraction into a decimal. So how do I do that? Well, all you have to do is you take the numerator, which is the 1, put it inside the division box, and you're going to divide it by the denominator, which is 2. And there we go. That's all you got to do, 1 divided by 2. This is also written as 1 divided by 2. Same thing, okay? That's all you got to do. Numerator divided by denominator. Let's do this together. Now, 2 multiplied by some number is very close to 1. What do you think? 2 times 0, that's it. 2 times 0, which is 0, and 1 minus 0 is 1. Uh-oh, we got a problem. 1 is a homeless number. 1's got no friends. No number should be homeless, and no number should be without a friend. There's only one hero who could help us out here. One superhero of the day, and that superhero is Zero the Hero. And how do you activate Zero the Hero? You simply put a decimal point. Boom! And the minute you put that decimal point, you get a 0 right here with a smiley face, of course. And that is Zero the Hero to the rescue. And now let's continue on again. 2 times some number, very close to 10. Well, the answer is 2 times 5. 2 times 5 is 10. And 10 minus 10 is 0. No homeless number. Everyone is happy. Everyone is great. So the final answer, half, when you write that as a decimal, is 0.5. And that's it. It's as simple as that, okay? Let me show you another examples. I'll show you other interesting examples here. Let me delete all this stuff here. Delete. Boom. There we go. Let's try another one. Something a little bit more challenging. Oh, how about 4 over 7, for example? I would like to turn this into a decimal. How do I do that? Well, same thing again. You take the 4, the numerator, that goes inside the division box, and you divide that by the denominator, which is 7. And there we go. Let's just divide it. 4 divided by 7. 7 times some number is very close to 4. Well, 7 times 0 is the best thing we got. And you put 0 here, and 4 minus 0 is 4. 4 is homeless. Who's going to help him out? That's right. Zero the Hero. Activate. Decimal point. When you do that, you get 0 and a smiley face, of course. And now back to our math. 7 multiplied by some number is very close to 40. 7 times 5 looks like the best answer. So 7 times 5 is 35. That's the closest. And when you minus it, you're going to get a 5. 5 is still homeless. 5 has no friends, so Zero the Hero will come to his rescue again. So I'm going to put Zero the Hero right over here. Smiley face, of course. And again, we'll do the same thing. 7 times some number, very close to 50. Well, I guess 7 times 7 is the best. 7 times 7 is 49. And if I minus it, I'll get 1. And it'll go so on and on and on. In my class, you can stop after 2 numbers after the decimal point. So 4 over 7 is roughly equal to 0.57 as a decimal. And that's how you change a fraction into a decimal. It's that simple. Let's try one more example, some big one. Let's try with a bigger number, okay? And again, it's the same technique again and again and again. That's why it's important to practice your techniques all the time, okay? Let's try something bigger numbers. Let's do, I don't know. How about 9 over 20? That's a big one. I want to turn 9 over 20 into a decimal. How do I do that? Well, same thing as usual. You take the 9, put it inside the division box, and you put 20 on the outside. 9 divided by 20. Let's do it again. So 20 multiplied by some number is very close to 9. Well, the only number I can think of is 0, because that's the closest. So 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 is homeless. Who's going to help him out? As always, Zero the Hero. Activate with a decimal point, which allows us to have Zero the Hero with a smiley face. Okay? Continue on. Let's go to 20 multiplied by some number very close to 90. Well, I guess 20 times 4 is the best thing we got. 20 times 4 is 80. And if I minus it, I'm going to get a 10. Cool, but 10 is homeless, and 10 has no friends. Zero the hero to the rescue one more time. And now, back to the math. 20 times some number very close to 100. Well, that's easy. 20 times 5. And 20 times 5 is 100. And 100 minus 100 is 0. No homeless numbers. Everyone's happy. Final answer, 9 over 20 as a fraction. And you turn it into a decimal, becomes 0.45. And that's it, kids. That's how you turn a fraction into a decimal. Thank you.